Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a brake light bulb. First, gather your necessary tools, which typically include a Phillips head screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged before starting any work. It's also a good idea to check your owner's manual for the exact bulb type and any model-specific instructions. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's access the tail light assembly. Begin by opening your vehicle's rear hatch or trunk. You will typically find 2 or 3 screws holding the tail light housing in place. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to carefully remove these fasteners. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back, away from the vehicle body. It should detach with a little careful effort. With the assembly detached, it's time to replace the bulb. Locate the brake light bulb socket. It's usually distinct. Twist the socket counterclockwise about 1/4 turn to release it from the housing. Then, gently pull the old bulb straight out of the socket. Take your new bulb, being careful not to touch the glass with your bare hands, and firmly push it into the socket. Finally, let's reassemble and test. Insert the bulb socket back into the tail light housing and twist it clockwise to secure. Align the entire tail light assembly with its mounting points on the vehicle body. Push it firmly into place, then reinsert and tighten the 2 or 3 screws you removed earlier. Have a friend press the brake pedal to confirm your new brake light is working perfectly. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.